Today I'm becoming a watch guy, but not just any plain old watch, a smartwatch that can track my steps, my exercise, sleep, and so much more. And this smartwatch from Toobur comes shipped to your door, ready to track your health too. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a magnetic charging cable, and then your smartwatch. Remove the film from the screen, and you're greeted by a large display screen. Flip over the watch, and on the back, you have the charge port. Connect the cable to it, and the magnets snap into place. I plugged in the watch and gave it a full charge. I powered it on, and I downloaded the VeryFit app by scanning the QR code on the watch screen. I paired my watch with the phone, and then set up my account. Now you can set your goal and adjust your watch notifications. After it's all set up the way you'd like, you're greeted by a nice little menu with a ton of useful information as well as cool features. For instance, you can change the design of your watch screen, and there's some pretty cool free options too. You can select the theme you want, and it syncs to your watch, then updates. Speaking of updates, now that it's connected to my phone, I can always stay in the loop. When I get an email, text, or message, it'll vibrate, make a chime, and pop onto my watch. Now I won't miss any notifications and can stay up to date on everything. The watch is comfortable and doesn't feel too heavy on my wrist. And I'm not much of a watch guy, but it still feels pretty good to wear. I went through some of the other cool watch features and found that you can assign and track specific workouts. You can even do a biometric scan and do a full reading. This will show your heart rate, your blood oxygen level, as well as stress level. Then if you find your stress level is high, you can use the app to find some other cool features like breath training. You can select the one you want, and it will walk you through guided breath work and help you relax or meditate. There's also sleep aid music. And this smartwatch even has a flashlight. How cool is that? Then of course, you can select and play your own music from the watch. You also have camera control, as well as a Find My Phone option. So many cool features. I used this watch all day. I wore it around on the hiking trails, and while I did some workout on the farm. While I was out and about, I had access to my messages, and can even check the weather to see what's coming. At the end of the day, I had completed my step goal, and it gave me an award. I had a detailed report of my workout, and it showed how many calories I've burnt. And even after tracking my exercise and steps all day, the watch still had 86% battery left. I can use this for a few more days before ever having to worry about charging it. Now before this, I wasn't too sure I'd like getting notifications on my wrist, as well as the constant tracking. But honestly, I really like this watch. And one of my favorite features, if you wear it to bed, it'll track your sleep. It'll tell you the quality of your sleep, how long you slept for, and how many times you woke up throughout the night. Between that and the other health tracking options, I'm very aware of my health and making improvements every day. It truly makes going through your day feel like a video game. And if that's not enough, you can add family members and view the health and sports data of other people that have this watch. How's that for friendly competition? I've hardly even scratched the surface of the smartwatch, but I'm more than happy with my new watch and can't wait to use it some more. So until next time, I'm off to go meet my step goal for the day. See ya!